Hi, good morning. I just found one of the papers of Akash Coaching Institute. It's one of the biggest uh, in the country and very reputed also. So, as a teacher in Akash, if I want to create a test out of online quiz out of this wonderful PDF, then it will take a lot of time for me because I have to cut, copy, paste all the content into the back end of an application. And especially when you have these kind of equations and you have figures, so it becomes even more tricky. And if you have different languages, then it becomes nightmare. So as a teacher, I want to create an online quiz out of it without doing any cut, copy, paste. And so let's go ahead and start creating. So I found this application pdfmark.com, which converts any existing MCQ PDF question paper into online quizzes within minutes. So you don't have to do any cut, copy, paste, or image redraw, or don't have to worry about any expressions, mathematical expression, etc. All you need is a good PDF file, and you, as a first-time user, you can register yourself as a teacher by writing your organization name and address. You can type your name as teacher and your email ID and click on the plus button here. You can have multiple teachers under the same organization, very easy to create. And once you click on the save button, all the teachers associated with this organization will have an instant access. So no more waiting, no more approvals. This thing is very quick, it works like wonders. So since I already have an access, so I'll click on the login button here, and I input my email ID and OTP to come to the dashboard, which looks like this. And it has two sections, my test and my batch. So let's go ahead and start creating an online quiz. So I'm going to upload the PDF which we just saw, which we downloaded from the internet. PDFs are a great way to carry the content, but also very difficult to operate with. So this is the first question. It has four options. So it's a single correct MCQ type. You also have multiple and fill in the blanks here. With these three combination, you can take care of any objective type questions like assertion reasoning or true false, etc. The marking scheme for I want to set it like 4 marks for correct, and uh, suppose minus 0.33, minus 0.33 for incorrect. You can have anything, any values if you want. And you just need to click on the add button. As soon as you click on the add, you have a crosshair. You take the crosshair adjacent to each of these options choices of question number one and click it once. So you have interactivity forming in front of your eyes. And suppose second option is correct, I don't know the real answer, then double click it, make it blue, and click on the save button. So the first question is done. Similarly, you can do the second question. You go ahead and click in front of each of these options choices, and suppose fourth option is correct, you double click it, make it blue, it's done. And you can go ahead and do the same activity. One precaution you have to take is use your laptop or desktop while creating the test paper, online quiz on PDF mock. Other than that, you can operate it on mobile. Student can take all the test on mobile, it's very easy for them. And you can go ahead and do the same thing till you map all the questions here. So even if you have 180 question or something like that, it will not take more than 45 minutes to map all the questions, so it's very easy. So once it is done, you click on the save test. You write it, the title, whatever you like. And if you have something more to write about the teacher or about the test, the difficulty level, etc., you can write in the description section. And suppose you want to um, mm, it's 3 hours, 3.5 hours uh, test. So you can write duration in minutes, 210 minutes. And right now you see two questions and 8 marks because you did this. But you can map the rest of the question. It will not take more than 45 minutes for you. One cool thing is you can add the solution file also. So once the student takes the test, they will have a solution or a explanation file uh, automatically onto them, so that they can refer what went wrong and why did it go wrong, and what is the correct way to solve a question. And you click on the save button. As soon as you click on the save button, you are back on the dashboard, and you can see the test detail here. You have two questions, 8 marks. Obviously you can go on edit and edit the question, add the rest of the question. For online quiz, you can delete it. You can share it amongst your colleague who are present in pdfmock.com by typing their email and searching their profile and sharing from here. This particularly is very helpful when you have a junior staff or a data entry operator who can do it. Now we are going to schedule it. So there are two options: close-ended, open-ended. Close-ended means a particular date and time when you want to conduct this test. Open-ended means there is a start time, no end time. And you can allocate to the batches which you have created in my batch section, very easy, of the internal database of students. You can also allow for anybody to take the test if you want to, so that you can do a national test or anything like that. Student will data will be captured in addition to their performance in the test, and you can schedule this. As you schedule it, you are ready. This test is ready to be shared to the students over WhatsApp group or online, or integrate an LMS. So it's really easy. All you need to do is copy the URL and send it manually. And this is to stop the schedule and edit the schedule. So now you just saw that I have created a test out of an existing PDF question paper, which are abundant in any institute or over the internet. You can use as much as you want. And I have saved many hours while creating the test. I don't have to do any cut, any paste, or any typing of the content. All I need is a good PDF, clean PDF, and a laptop to create the question, online quiz, and after that I can manage everything on mobile. Student can take the test on mobile very easily. It's nice. So, do share your feedback. Use it. It will definitely help you. Many of the teachers are using it. You also take benefit of.